I should say something about workflow. And it's very important because it just alleviates stress and makes it a little safer for you too. And that is, so what I mean by that is, so I have all my lumber over here. I piled it all on that side of the table saw. What I'm going to do is grab each piece one at a time, trim them, get rid of the bad part. That'll go over for the wood stove. And then I'll set the final trim piece over here. So you want to keep your work area clean, and I like having lots of surface. Lots of surface. The radial arm, I mean, I use the radial arm a lot. But this work area right here with this nice top on here, which is, it's really a bowling alley piece. You can see the bottom side here. But I could have made this, but I had a chance to get a bunch of bowling alley. My brother did, so he picked it up for me. So I've created, this top, this whole top here. And the reason I used the bottom side because I was able to re-sand it and get it flatter. And I have several pieces. I mean, every area over here has bowling alley. It was quite a bit of work though because I had to trim it off, and there's big nails. These are nailed together, so if you start cutting it, we demolished a carbon blade. We just demolished it trying to cut these. We did get through them, but towards the end, it wouldn't even cut anymore. Luckily, we had the pieces pretty much cut by then. So, really, your basic work area need lots of room, but also you need room next to you to put the starting material and the ending material. Okay, so let's get to work. Let's get trimming.